Hello everyone and welcome back to Cooking with Lauralee. I am Lauralee. I hope you find yourselves joyful on this wonderful day. I can't believe how close we are to Thanksgiving already. So today I have a short video and wanted to show you one of the ways I prepare my ham for Thanksgiving. I have made my ham several different ways in the past, but this is my family's favorite. We tend to get the ham a little on the bigger side because who doesn't like leftovers for Thanksgiving? I'm so grateful for so many things this year, but I'm grateful because after the last 2 years, I am still here with you all. If you find yourself on the sad side today, know that my family and I are praying for each and every one of you. We pray for a peaceful and safe Thanksgiving. We pray that the end of this year and next year will be so much better than the last couple of years. So be encouraged, and I hope my video puts a smile on your face. What are you thankful for this year? Let me know in the comments below. As you can see here, I scored my ham, and I do it because I feel that it enhances the flavor of the ham and it also looks very beautiful. I also oil up the aluminum side that is going to be touching the ham so that it won't stick. Now the footage that you see here is actually from last year. Throughout the years I've changed the recipe and the actual glaze that I make for the ham, but one thing that does stay consistent is the actual shank portion of the ham. We always get that. I've tried the spiral ham on a different occasion and honestly I wasn't quite impressed with it. I don't know if it was the texture, but it was good. I ate it, but again, not impressed. So let me know, what's your favorite kind? What do you cook for your family? Make sure that you cook your ham at 325 Fahrenheit. When I put this in, I had something else on and I had my degrees up to 425. It started to cook a little bit faster on the top. It was still fine. So again, at 325 for 2 hours and a half or so. If you're ever confused, just make sure that the internal temperature reaches at 145 Fahrenheit. I promise you, if you make this, you will redeem yourself from any prior Thanksgiving cooking mistake you've done in the past. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter about presentation. What matters is how good the food actually tastes. I hope you all enjoy my video, and I wish you all a very happy Thanksgiving.